Create a unique fall decoration for less than $10. Just a few simple steps can turn an ordinary pumpkin into a beautiful centerpiece. The key is floral foam, the kind used for arranging flowers. If it's too big, cut it in half so it fits the size of your pumpkin. Place the foam in a bowl of water and wait until it sinks and soaks through. This will keep your flowers fresh for a long time. Now, take your pumpkin and set the wet foam on its stem. Start by inserting some decorative green branches into the sides of the foam. They form the base of your decoration and give it a nice full shape. Once the base is ready, add flowers. You can use whatever grows in your garden to save money. Trim the stems to the right length and insert them from the top into the foam to bring color and character to the arrangement. Finally, add some baby's breath for lightness and to fill in the gaps. Just a few steps and your pumpkin is transformed into an eye-catching piece that looks natural yet elegant. Place it on your dining table or at the entrance to welcome guests with a cozy autumn vibe. One pumpkin, a bit of creativity, and you have a decoration that instantly brightens up your home.